Hello everybody. In this video, we will just discuss one more method which we can apply on string, that is expand tabs method. Okay. So let us discuss this method with the help of one program. So in this program, I have defined one variable message, and in the variable I have stored welcome string. Okay. Now initially if I print message, then as we all know, it will just print welcome. Okay. So I want to show you output here first. See, here we have got welcome. Okay, now here I'm just going to modify this particular string. In the string I'm just going to use \t after every character. So after w \t, after e also \t, similar to that one, after every character I'm just going to add \t. Okay, now as we all know, if we use \t, then it will just give tab effect. Means after w, here in between we use /t and then e. So in between w and e, it will just give one tab. Okay, so I want to show you output of this one once again. See here, if you place /t after every character, then you will get this type of output. Okay, now here see, uh, after using /t, here in between two character we are getting one tab. Okay, now here the important point is, see, if you use /t, then it will just give total 8 character space. It will just put total 8 character space. Okay, means what? After w, see here /t is there, so after w it will just leave 8 character space, and then it will just place next character. Similarly after e, it will just leave 8 character space, and it will just print next character. Again it will just leave 8 character space and will print next character. Okay, so means what I just want to convey here is, if you use /t, then it default size of the space that we are getting in between two character is 8. Okay, now say I want to use our method here, that is expand tabs method. Expand, so this method we can apply on string. So string we store in msg. So here I am just calling expand tabs. Okay, initially see, I'm not passing any parameter. So if you are not passing any parameter for the expand tabs method, then here default size it will just take it as 8. Okay, so I'm not passing any parameter, so it will just print this string as it is once again. Okay, because default size is 8. Okay, if you are not passing any parameter, default size will be 8. Okay, now what is use of this expand tabs method is, it is used to change the count of space in between two character if you are using /t. So initially what I said, by default it will just take 8 character space. Okay, now here suppose I am just going to call this method once again. Okay, and here suppose I am passing 2. Now if you pass 2, then the default size of /t will change from 8 to 2. Means after every character it will just leave 2 spaces, and then it will just print next statement. I want to show you output. See here, this was this is the output of first print, where default size is 8, and this is the output of second print, where we pass parameter 2 for this. Okay, so here it will just leave 2 spaces and will print next character. Similarly, see, if you copy and paste this line one more time, suppose one more time let us print. Okay, and then copy and paste this line few times. Okay, so that will get clear difference. So 2, here I am passing 4. Okay, then 6, suppose 8, and then 10. Okay, and initially this expand tab is there, means by default it will just take what, 8. So this and this string will be same, it will just display at same location. Okay, I want to show you output here once again. Before that, let us clear screen. Okay, now I want to print. See here, this is first line, output of this first print, not passing any parameter, means default size here we are getting 8. Okay, then next line 2, then here 4, 6, again 8, and then 10. Okay, so its meaning is what? Expand tab function is used to modify the uh, default count of blank spaces of tab. Okay, default size is 8, and if you want to modify that size, then you can use expand tab method. Okay, so I hope you are getting this point, what is the use of expand tab method. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for further updates.